Hey friends, if you encounter the error audio service cannot start error 0x80070005 access is denied in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to restart the Windows audio service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Now scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then select restart. And then you can update the audio driver. So search for device manager, go to device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.